Okay, for this first problem, Giselle sold 18 bracelets for $2.75 each. So I do make sure I close read at the Art Fest. She also sold a necklace for $15. So just one, it sounds like, for $15. So these are all things that she sold. She collected all of her money and bought 1 cup of lemonade. So this cup of lemonade is now going to be money spent, and so that's important because the first two are things that she's earning and this is she's spending. So first let me just find how much did Giselle earn, and then we can focus on how much she spends. Okay, so she earns 18 times 275. So 18 times 275, remember when you're multiplying decimals, this has 2 digits and this has 3 digits or numbers. So I'm actually going to put 275 on the top times 18. There's 2 places after the decimal here, 0 here, so my answer, 2 plus 0, is going to have 2 places after the decimal. Now I can multiply and ignore that decimal. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 7 is 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 8 times 2 is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, but I have to do my second row here. So placeholder 0. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 2 is 2. And I'm a little squished, so I'm actually going to rewrite this before I add. So if I add up my partial products, I get this, but then I think it's 2 spaces after the decimal. So that means she earned $49.50. And I'm going to go ahead, guys, and just real quick use estimation. That's like 20 times 3. Two times 3 is 6 with a 0, so about 60. So this is just so far on the bracelets. She earns, my estimation, $60. We think she earned $49.50. And yeah, I think that sounds about right. So this is just on the bracelets. Now I have to take that, and I also have to add in what she earned for this necklace. So $49.50 plus $15. Now remember, now I'm adding decimals. Adding and subtracting decimals, line up the dot and give it all you got. 0 plus 0 is 0. We've got 5. Decimal, decimal down. We've got 14. So it sounds like she earned $64.50. That is what she earned. Now it's not my final answer because then she spends a little bit. She doesn't spend much. So she has $64.50 and she spends $3.99 on lemonade. 0 minus 9, more on the floor. Go next door and take some more. So I'm regrouping. Just check your regrouping if you did this. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Decimal, decimal down. Numbers the same, zero's the game. And that makes sense. If she had $64.50 and she bought a lemonade, she didn't spend too much. This looks about right. So how much did Giselle end the day with after she earned and spent $3.99? She walks away with $60.51. So go ahead and check your work. If you have any questions still, you can ask myself or a peer that's also working on problem solving. Making sure you use words, okay, when you explain your answer. Words like multiplication, addition, rules with decimals like adding and multiplying, different kinds of rules. Okay? So now I'm going to move on to number 10. Number 10, Frankie is trying to add his surf taco bill up mentally. So mentally means that Frankie's trying to do it just in his brain. He spent $8.20 on a burrito. I like to take notes and close read. $4.80 on chips and guac. Yum. Okay, and $1.20 on a drink. Use compatible numbers. Remember, compatible, that's like matchmaker numbers. Ooh, those are numbers that work well together. So, we need to advise Frankie or help him out how he can use easy numbers. For instance, I see that 80 cents and 20 cents together makes $1. So far, I've got $8, 9, 10, 11, 12, plus that 1 is 13, and then I just add this in, 14, 20. So when I think about compatible numbers that I just used, I definitely paired 80 cents and 20 cents because those work really well to make 100 cents, which is the same as $1. And that helped me add. Also thinking about grouping decimals and grouping the whole numbers. That also helped me add, grouping those whole numbers. Okay? So you can have that all in your written response. When you're done, you can go on to early finisher work.